Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot from one of my other videos, and that is, how do you create a Cash App account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know how to create a Cash App account? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe one of your clients insists on paying you through Cash App, but you don't have an account and you're not sure how to create one. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually handled here in the Cash App. It's this green and white app right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Cash App now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. So this is the login screen where you can go ahead and set up a new Cash App account. So you have two options. You can enter in a mobile phone number. You will receive a text message to verify your account that you're setting up with Cash App, or you can actually use an email by clicking on this email button. Okay, so once you've chosen, go ahead and enter in either your phone number or your email. I'm going to enter mine in off screen. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in an email. Go ahead and click on this green next button. Okay, next you're going to see this screen. So what happened is Cash App is going to send you a text message or an email message with a 6-digit code, and you do need that in order to create a Cash App account with that contact information. So I've already checked my email, but let me show you what that email looks like. Okay, so here is the email that I received from Cash App to create my new Cash App account. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy this 6-digit code, and then we're going to jump back over to the Cash App. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enter that code in here. Okay, I entered the code. I'm going to click on this green next button. Okay, now Cash App did email me a link, so I have to click through the link in order to set up my new Cash App account. So let me jump back over to my email. Okay, so here's the email. I'm going to click on this green sign in button. Okay, next Cash App is asking me to connect a debit card. So you don't actually have to do this right out the gate. Today we're just setting up a very basic Cash App. In order to do more advanced features inside the Cash App, like sending money or setting up Bitcoin or setting up direct deposit, you will need to verify more information. But today we're just doing just the very basic signing up for a new Cash App account. So I'm going to click up here on skip. Okay, next they're asking for my name. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my name. You want to go ahead and put in the name that appears on your ID, because at some point during your Cash App account, you will need to verify your ID. Okay, so I went ahead and entered my name. I'm going to click on next. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and choose a cash tag. A cash tag is basically your username inside Cash App. So when you are requesting money or if you're sending money, you don't necessarily need to give your full name or your email or your mobile number to anyone. You can simply give them your cash tag, and then that way they can pay you directly to your cash tag, and you can keep your information more private. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a cash tag. So if you start typing in, it's going to let you know it's not available. So you want to put in a mix of letters and numbers until it says available. Okay, so I did find a cash tag that is available and it looks good to me. So I'm going to click on this green next button. Okay, now Cash App is asking me for my zip code in order to create my Cash App account. So I'm going to enter that in. All right, I'm going to click on next. Okay, Cash App is asking to get access to my contacts. However, I don't really like to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and skip that. You can do that if you want. That's up to you. Okay, next it brings me to the Cash App home screen. So I do have a new Cash App account that we just created. And like I said, we can go ahead and use basic functions with the Cash App, but they do have particular dollar limits and different functions that are not available until you verify your ID and connect your banking information. However, if you're simply looking to create a new Cash App account, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.